Okay guys, so if you haven't seen my first video last week on how to clean and how to clean a Carboy fermentor, do that first. The link is below, and make sure you get it really clean. The next thing is buy your star sand. That's the sanitizer that I use and a lot of people use when they clean their Carboys. And you gotta sanitize it. So you want to make sure it's sanitized for whatever you're going to use these for. Next, you fill it up with water. Now, I have a lot of bubbles coming up because I put the star sand in first by accident. You don't want to do that. You want to fill these up with water prior to putting in any star sand, because the star sand creates all these bubbles. And I recommend filling it up all the way, or almost all the way. Then you put the star sand in. Now, let me backtrack. Not all the way in, but maybe like 3/4. Then you put the star sand in, and the star sand has this really cool measuring side cup in it. So you pour some star sand into a regular cup, and then that regular cup goes into the measuring cup on the star sand package. And then you pour it in, and that's enough for 5 gallons. And then after that, you do light shake because you don't want to create too much bubbles. I have a lot of bubbles because I obviously put the star sand in first. And you want to make sure the star sand sanitizer gets in there, in all crevices of the 5-gallon glass bottles. And then after that, you pour out the water, maybe 20 minutes later or something, and you let it sit and dry for a day. And then it should work fine. You could make your beer, or you could put water in it, or whatever. So that's how you sanitize your Carboy.